Welcome to Cars Up, your ultimate destination for the latest news, reviews, and updates on the world of automobiles. Today, we're thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at the iconic Mercedes AMG GT. Introduction. The Mercedes AMG GT is a revolutionary sports car that combines sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and luxurious interior, this car is a true masterpiece of German engineering. Design and features. The Mercedes AMG GT boasts a stunning design that combines sleek lines, aggressive curves, and a futuristic aesthetic. The car's body is crafted from advanced materials, including lightweight alloys and carbon fiber, which provide exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. The Mercedes AMG GT features a range of innovative features, including a premium audio system with 12 speakers and 2 subwoofers, providing an immersive listening experience. A navigation system with a 12.3-inch display screen, providing turn-by-turn directions and traffic updates. Heated and ventilated seats with massage function, providing exceptional comfort and relaxation. A range of advanced safety features, including autonomous emergency braking, blind spot detection, and lane departure warning. Powertrain and performance. The Mercedes AMG GT is powered by a range of advanced engines, including a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 469 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. A 6.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 630 horsepower and 605 pound-feet of torque. The Mercedes AMG GT can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the market. The car's top speed is electronically limited to 193 miles per hour. Luxury and comfort. The Mercedes AMG GT is a luxurious and comfortable car that features a range of premium materials, including leather, wood, and metal. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather and feature intricate stitching, which adds a touch of luxury and sophistication. Handling and dynamics. The Mercedes AMG GT is a highly agile and responsive car that features a range of advanced technologies, including a rear axle limited slip differential, providing exceptional traction and control. A range of advanced suspension systems, including coil springs and shock absorbers. A range of advanced electronic stability control systems, providing exceptional stability and handling. Conclusion. The Mercedes AMG GT is a revolutionary sports car that combines sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and luxurious interior, this car is a true masterpiece of German engineering. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a luxury aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates innovation and style, the Mercedes AMG GT is a car that's sure to impress. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, news,